Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and tasting a Shotengai Japanese snack box, and this is a healthy Japanese snack subscription box. These are crunchy healthy fruits. No, crunchy healthy vegetables. There's like a green bean and a carrot. Let's see. This one. Okay, let's try. I think this is gonna be black sesame. Let's see. This is an almond. I like this one better. Try it, Mom. These are ginkgo nuts. These are kind of good. They have this bonito flavor to them, kind of like a fishy, savory flavor. We have that one. We have this apple. This is from the same company. Mango and Ringo. Here's the mango. Tastes like candy. This one's very soft and interesting. This tastes like apple candy. They both taste like candy, but they're good. Let's see what this is. This is a Daruma. And this is like strawberry, and it has a red bean inside, I think. It's quite good. They're just wheat puffs. This reminds me of honeycomb honey smacks. Like sweetened. This is basically honey smacks but less sweet. And gluten-free. Let's see how this compares to regular munchies. Let's see. Take a little bite. Layered. It tastes okay. Not too sweet. Not too different from a regular munchie though. Interesting. Open this already. tastes very brittle. This looks like a shortbread cookie, but it has like a rice taste to it. It's not so weedy, I guess. The texture is different from a regular shortbread cookie. It's a little bit more crisp and flaky, but it's good. Try this one. It's almost like a shortbread cookie. It's covered with kinako, which is a soybean powder. And it's sweet. It's really good. Black soybean tea. So pretty. Two little paper there. Soybean. This one's Matcha. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be okay. We have this, and it has some sort of a cream inside. It has a matcha cream, but it's not really sweet. Not super sweet. The taste of this cracker is very similar to this one, but it's more textured and lighter. This is very good. I like it. Pasta fritta, buon appetito. There's this golden thing which tells me it's good. These are good. Delicious. This thing is a cracker. Sensational. This is really pretty. Just a plain sensational cracker. It's sweet. I think you've had this before if you're Asian. It's very familiar. Okay, so I'm gonna say something a little bit crazy. This is probably my favorite Japanese snack box ever, and that's saying a lot because I've gotten a lot of snack boxes. I like how it has a healthy theme, and I also like how everything feels really unique and high quality. A lot of times when I get Japanese snack boxes, I'm trying things that are very familiar to me and not new. But here I feel like I'm having really high-end snacks that have sort of a healthy twist on them. Of course, they're not super healthy because they're snacks, but all in all, I really like this box. And if you're gonna get a Japanese snack box, I highly recommend this one.